two lonely girls sitting on the porch doing a video which nobody knows what to say. There. That's what we're gonna say.
Hi everybody, I'm Sophia and today we're gonna show you how to make watercolor daisies. So this is our dry daisy, and this is my nanny's where she spreaded all the water over, then just put some colors and tilted it everywhere. And this was my practice water one, where I put water all over. So first you start out with, just circles. So on the tape you're gonna we use a medicine lid, then draw 2 circles with permanent marker or a pen that you can write anything on the tape. So you're gonna when you have your 2 circles on, which is the middle of the flower, you're gonna put some petals on. The petals is you're just gonna take a little piece of the tape like this, and then you're gonna fold it, and not on the curved side, on the other side, cut up like a sideways triangle, and then open up, then make the bottom of it round, and then you're just gonna put some petals on. Crazy villain, Sophia! Crazy! Why we're calling you crazy, Sophia? I'm a I'm gonna take a boy. Crazy Sophia, give up. Oh yeah? I'm a zombie! Yeah! I'm a zombie! So this is the petal you're gonna put on. Gonna put it on like that. Perfect. And then you make 2 flowers. So what you're gonna do is you gotta make, so I have 2 pictures. If you want to make it look, this is dry brush, and this one is wet brush. And today we're gonna do wet brush. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start out with the whole canvas being wet. And then you're gonna take some colors, get them a little bit wet, then, just swiggle them out. Don't mix the colors, because then they might make either the color brown or a color nice. So try to keep them away as possible. Let's put some purple. And then let's use a little bit of light blue. Ew! I always get bugs in my ears. Shit. I always get bugs in my ears. I don't know why. Well, Sophia's telling her random story. And then when you have some colors, I'm going to take the water and try to, spread it around. Like that. Like so. If you want, you can do this. Let it just run down everywhere. So then, gonna take some other
How do you like my
colors.
blue?
Sure, Sophia. I like it. You're just gonna keep filling up it
No bugs in my
everywhere
eyes at all.
until you get, you know, good background colors. I'd say you could put a little bit of orange, pink, and yellow, because that would look like it's a sunset. But don't mix them, please, because then. So if you mix orange and blue, that'll make brown, and we don't want brown, unless you want the middle to be brown. But when we tear the middle, it's gonna be yellow. Just,
Take some.
gonna put some green.
Dip, dip,
Dip,
dip,
dip, dip, dip, dip, dip, dip, dip, dip, dip.
How do you like my purple?
That's great, Sophia.
Thanks.
Put some pink. Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, pink is my favorite color too. I like the pink. Pink is my favorite color.
Hey, Sophia,
Right.
can you put a little bit of more blue? That might look better.
Oh, so. Get some blue. Then. There we go.
Try not to use dark blue, because I don't really think that looks that good. But if you're making some, this is your painting, if you're making one. So have fun with it.
Ooh, the white
Do
blue
whatever
looks
you
good too.
Mm-hmm.
But the dark blue looks even better.
Okay. To you, that's fair.
I'm gonna put some dark blue.
So we're gonna put some pink over here.
And some white blue.
Yeah. Excuse me. Gotta get it in the water. What should we add over there?
The white blue
Oh,
looks good over
perfect.
here.
Let's put a little bit of purple over there.
Because over here there's empty space.
Ooh, I'm gonna add some pink later. In fact, I'm gonna add some pink right now. Just gotta put some.
And wash my torso. And I need some pink.
Okay. I'm gonna have
Because
some light blue.
It doesn't really show up.
Put some light blue over here.
I need more pink because it doesn't really show up.
And it's okay to have a lot of water. That's what makes it look cool.
Yeah. Don't be afraid to use a lot of water.
We're not afraid of water.
Yeah. Give me some pink.
Okay, Sophia, I'm gonna add.
It's not really showing up, so I need.
And then let's tilt it.
Don't do my pink. You got the yellow and the pink.
That's okay. That's what makes it look cool.
I want buckets in my eye.
We're outside. Admire the nature.
Cool. Now, let's fill in the rest of the empty spaces. Come on, Sophia.
Yeah.
Some pink. There.
Oh. I think the red looks good over here. I mean, yellow.
I want to try to separate the orange and blue because I don't want to make it to brown. So let's add some red. And that doesn't really look like red. And then let's add some blue. Then let's mix it, try to make purple. It looks like it just made another blue. Okay. Purple and the blue. Some purple and the blue.
And now this. Try not to use the black and the brown.
And don't mix all the colors because then it'll make black.
Yeah.
And you don't want black unless you want the whole background to be black with just some daisies. Then you can totally do that.
Yeah. This
I'm adding
space
so
looks
many colors, I don't know where to put some.
empty space.
Okay, Sophia,
What?
let's tilt them again.
We're pretty much done.
Yeah, kind of, but we still have some more things to do. So don't get your mind up that we're done. Cool. Now, let's keep filling in them. Let's pretty much add some pink and blue, maybe a little bit of purple, could look good.
Get some green.
Get creative with it. And add some dark blue.
Put it over
See how that
here
looks.
because it looks so empty. Yeah.
Ooh la 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 la. Mm-hmm.
And putting it over here because over here looks so empty.
Let the light take over and
I like that pink.
let it go around.
Pink coffee. No, pink rod.
She's obsessed with pink.
I love pink.
What should we add? How about some purple?
Yeah.
Come over here. Some over there.
Some brown.
Right there. Some.
I'm getting some brown.
No, you don't. Sophia, you don't want brown. Put it back in the water.
Okay.
Don't get brown, black, or whites. Yeah, don't get white. So let's keep adding some colors. Oh wait, I forgot those petals. Red.
I need some purple.
Hey, Sophia, let's put some water around it. See how that looks?
Yeah.
So there's water to tilt and make it look cool.
Yeah. But I don't like tilting it.
Why? Then it'll make it look cool. Let's tilt it right now. Whoa.
That red looks like blood. I don't like it.
I don't think it looks like blood. I think it looks cool. Pretty. Let's add a little bit color over there.
Down, 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 down.
What, are we in a rock band now?
Down, 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 down,
No.
down, 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 down.
Now, when it looks done, which there's still a little bit more, but when it looks done to you, you can either wait for it to be dried, or you can probably use the hair dryer
Right.
to do that. Sophia, I think it's time we dry it. What's got your mind up?
So we just let it air dry. Now we're gonna peel off everything and then paint the middle yellow.
Some of these are surprisingly easy. Okay, now they're hard. Woodpecker, that sounds like. And birds chirping. Beep, 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 beep.
So now we just peeled off all the tape. And now we're gonna fill in the middle with some yellow.
Edit that part out.
All right. There you go. Ta-da! Subscribe, like this video, and share more